nodding his head above us all. Here is the hedgehog, prickly and small, rolling himself into a ball. Here is the ostrich, straight and tall, nodding his head